Every time you eat, you're borrowing a trick from evolution. Long before diet culture, calorie apps, food was quietly sculpting our species. From chewing raw fruit in leafy forests to roasting hunted meat on the open savanna, diet pulled our ancestors further from their primate relatives. Today we count carbs. They solved survival one bite at a time. One of the clearest ways to see this impact is in our anatomy. Primates and early hominins that relied on fibrous, raw vegetation evolved large molars and massive jaws to process tough plants. Gorillas have huge chewing muscles for this exact reason. But humans? We have smaller molars set back in a shortened jaw. This reflects a massive shift to softer, more calorie-dense diets. 10. Our guts changed too. We traded the long fermentation tracts of our herbivorous ancestors for shorter intestines, designed for the fast absorption of high-energy foods like meat and fat. But how did we get that high-energy food? Long before we learned to cook, we learned to cut. The earliest stone tools date back around 3 million years. These sharp rocks allowed hominins to butcher carcasses and break open bones for nutrient-rich marrow. Cut marks on 3.4-million-year-old animal bones from Ethiopia suggest that Australopithecus afarensis was already experimenting with meat. But here's the crucial difference. They were eating it raw. Australopithecus likely scavenged what they could, using stone tools to access fat and protein that their flat teeth couldn't reach alone. This was a massive leap. Bone marrow and meat offered dense energy that fueled active lifestyles. But without fire, digestion was still hard work. Eating raw meat kept our ancestors alive, but it wasn't efficient. It demands hours of chewing and digestion for a limited caloric return. The real turning point came much later when ancestors began to control fire. Cooking was an evolutionary breakthrough. It softens food, kills pathogens, and dramatically boosts the usable calories we can extract. This surplus of energy solved a major metabolic problem. The human brain is expensive. It burns 20% of our body's energy. By cooking our food, we made digestion easier, effectively trading a large gut for a massive brain. With fire, we stopped being grazers and became planners, toolmakers, and storytellers. Fire was humanity's first true technology. So, what about our cousins? While Homo sapiens developed a flexible menu, our relatives were often more specialized. Neanderthals, for example, were top-level carnivores. Nitrogen signatures in their bones suggest a diet heavy in animal protein. Their dental plaque reveals they ate some cooked plants, but they were primarily serious hunters of big game. Denisovans are more mysterious, but recent evidence from the Baishia Karst cave on the Tibetan plateau shows they were butchering a wide range of animals for meat and marrow, adapting to life at high altitudes. So the next time you slice a steak or stir a pot of soup, remember the millions of years of evolution behind that moment. We are the descendants of creatures who adapted with every bite. We started with sharp rocks and raw marrow, mastered the flame, and evolved in kitchens as much as in caves. Evolution didn't just feed us, it reshaped us. Our bodies are quite literally built by breakfast. Follow along for more insights into the fascinating story of the history of us.